1, 2, 3, 4. And that's not even everything, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ferdog here, back again with another video. And I'm bringing you an unboxing of all the Supreme stuff. And this isn't even everything. This isn't even everything I ordered. This is just what came in the past week. How y'all doing? I have not uploaded a video in probably a week. I do apologize. And it's not even just Supreme. We're actually be doing a Palace unboxing as well. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got, and including yesterday what I got at a new store that just came out here in Dallas. I want to shout you guys out. The Laboratory in Dallas. It's over on Greenville Avenue. You guys should go check it out. I'm gonna put their Instagram right here. It's actually really nice. It's probably the only store here in Dallas, like a nice streetwear store. I'm happy about that there's finally something here. So the first item that I want to show you guys is actually a birthday gift for my dad, because his birthday was last week and it's already unboxed and everything. This is the Supreme water bottle that I got him. It's a little bright here. Pretty sure you guys can see it though. It just says Supreme across. That's all it really says. So yeah, the white water bottle. I tried getting the black one, but the black one was completely sold out by the time that I was able to get this one. So this one will do. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna have to get myself one. It's a good size too. I thought it was gonna be too small, but it's a 1 liter, I think it is. Yeah, 1 liter. So that's not bad at all. And it's SIG, so it's good quality. Really nice. I'll show you guys the stickers too, because I actually got some pretty interesting stickers, and the free gift is pretty interesting as well. It is a shower cap. Wrong side. There you go, shower cap. So I have the King of New York sticker right here. This one's pretty nice. Sorry about the glare, guys. How to use it. Use my computer screen so you guys can see my face. Box logo. YouTube, please don't give me flagged for this, but you guys can like barely see it. It says Supreme like right there. So this one's like pretty nice. This is the only package that actually brought the sticker in. So I'm hoping my 4 other packages I'm getting later this week, which would be another video. So this is like part 1. I'll show part 2 later on. You'll probably see that uploaded on Friday or Saturday. But yeah, this is the only package so far that has it, and this one's super nice. I really want this one. I want to put it on my laptop, but it is a little graphic, but oh well. It's fine. It's okay. It's alright. Bag number 2. And this item, there's a couple of these items that I'm looking to like resell. If you guys want them, I can show up like a price here for you guys, or if you want to look in the description, or also go check out my Instagram. And if you want to buy any of these stuff, you could just DM me and see how much it is. So I got the waist bag. I'm gonna keep everything dead stock so that I can have like that resale value. You know what it is. The bag is actually pretty nice. I'm a little torn between this one and the shoulder bag, because they're pretty cool, but I don't know, I kind of want that the smaller shoulder bag. So I got the black one. This package only had box logos in it. They didn't give me any seasonal stickers, so that's a little depressing, but oh well, it is what it is. This one's pretty nice. I got the black master lock. So this one is a pretty big lock. I mean, it's like I could go with my hand. And then another shower cap as well. I think I got like 5 of these with all the packages that have came through. And then another sticker pack, and this one I actually am going to open up. Again, you got the box logo right here. Kind of like what you put on like fruits at the supermarket. You can barely see them right there. So that's like kind of cool. It's just Supreme, like a tiny little box logo that has like some numbers on there. So that is pretty interesting as well. This is the other sticker. It's a grill. It just says Supreme on it. You guys can barely see it. There you go. The last and final Supreme package is the shoulder bag. There you go. Got that one red, of course. And again, I'm going to keep it dead stock. I'm not going to take it out of the bag. And then this package actually came in with not 1, but 2 of the shower caps. Also 2 sticker pack. Again, box logo, middle finger to the world. And then they made a t-shirt. The grill, again, that says Supreme. That is all the Supreme stuff that I got so far right now, but I'm going to show you guys what else I got over in Palace, and then the one pickup that I got yesterday at the Laboratory store here in Dallas. But right now, I'm going to show you guys the stickers from Palace. So 1, 2, 3 clear trifold, and I also got the sticker pack, which was actually pretty pricey. I mean, it's $10. It's like a little statue of like a boy holding a pea. Palace with weed leaves right there. Safe. Palace, this is one of my favorite ones in the sticker pack for sure. And then we got the Palace Flex Gold's Gem. I'm pretty sure that's what it is based off of. This one's pretty nice. I know they made a t-shirt with that one. This one, the globular trifold Palace safe as well. This one, I actually got the skateboard with the logo on that one too. The Jobs Worth trifold. I think this one is freaking awesome. Baby blue trifold as well, if you would focus. My goodness. So yeah, that is the stickers. I got the Palace skateboard. Now before y'all rip me up in the comments and say you don't even skate, let me explain. I used to skate when I was younger, and I snowboarded a lot as well, so you can't say that I don't skate. I don't skate now because I kind of just like grew out of it and don't really like it as much now, but I still like the boards. I always like the design of skateboards, and anytime that I went into Zoomies, I always like looking at them. So yeah, so I finally decided to, you know what, I think it's time to collect them. So I got the Palace safe skateboard, and I'm pretty pissed because they put the sticker right on the logo. Like, why? Why did they do that? But, oh well. This one's personal. Anything from Palace is personal. Just because I know they don't drop like a lot of resale value stuff. So, anything I get from Palace is usually personal stuff. You got the little trifold right here. And then this guy. I know they're going to make a t-shirt with this one. Hopefully they release it this week. Got the belt, the black one. I got a little, like a size bigger than what I should have gotten it, because then I can have like this like hanging off. And it kind of reminds me of like the off-white industrial belts. There's this Palace across. And then the little P right there. Oh, this little plastic buckle. So that one is nice as well. I got the Palace trifold globular shirt. I think this was pretty nice. I'm actually very surprised about the quality of Palace. The only thing I've ever gotten from Palace was the bucket hat that you guys see on Tony's head in the YouTube banner. So I'm pretty excited about this one. This one's super nice. Quality is amazing. So thank you, Palace, for providing good quality. And that is all the Palace stuff. So now I'm going to show you what I got at the lavatory over here in Dallas. I've never gotten anything from Antisocial. I never was really interested because it literally just says Antisocial on there, and that's it. There's no like, I've never seen any with like intricate designs unless they have the collab, as you guys see here. So they have the Playboy bunny, which I was like, dang, this thing go hard. This is awesome. I have to get it. I could not pass up on this. I think this was like the only one that they had there. They probably had more in the back, but it was only one that I saw. Grand opening was yesterday on Saturday. So I was looking at everything that they had. They have like a bunch of shoes. I'll throw up some pictures here. Not on mine, but like on their Instagram page if you guys want to go check them out and follow them. Yeah, I think that is going to be the end of today's video, guys. You guys will see a part 2 of all the rest of the Supreme stuff that comes in. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button, like, comment. We are killing it. I know my last video was the Nike BB. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you guys go check it out. It's super awesome. It's self-lacing shoes, and I think that one has like 160 like views, and then it has like 6 likes or something like that. And before I uploaded, I had like 30 subscribers, and then I'm at 35. So you guys killed it with that one. So let's kill it with this one. Let's get more views, more likes, you know, a couple more comments in there, so I know what you guys want to see. Without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. It's your boy Ferdog, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I admit it, another hoe got me finished, broke my heart.